YouTube has been a big surprise to me. Hi, I'm Diane. This YouTube adventure has really surprised me. It's surprised the heck out of me, actually. One, the main thing that has surprised me is the fact that you people showed up. What are y'all doing? You're watching me. Miss No Personality me. It has shocked me. It has really shocked me. And your comments. Oh, your comments have been so kind and encouraging, and well, they've just meant the world to me. They really have. And not only in the U.S., but I've met people in the United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Crete, Africa, South Africa. It's amazing to me, not to mention Canada. I mean, I just think all of you people are amazing, and I'm so very amazed every time any of my videos get views. I'm shocked. I am, and wondering what in the world you're doing watching me. Anyway, I appreciate you, and I love you for it. I'm most appreciative. YouTube talks of building a community, and it does. It absolutely does. I recognize a lot of your names every time you comment. I basically feel like I know you. I feel like you're a neighbor, at least an acquaintance. And I've learned to love you guys. I mean, some of you are just the sweetest things ever. I mean, I love you guys. I recognize your names. I love you. And I'm appreciative. The third thing is, I don't talk much during the week. I just work, say something to my dogs every now and then. That's about it. You have allowed me to start talking again. Yeah, I am talking to people again. And that's probably a good thing for me. I know that it is. I can talk about good times, bad times, funny things. Actually, I don't remember telling you anything funny yet. Bad clients, and talk about my grief, which is a great outlet for me. I will forever be grateful about that I have someone to talk to about that. And I listen to you. I love your comments. I love your stories. I love to hear about your life. It's interesting to me. I live a boring life. And now you have made it interesting. So keep telling me. Keep telling me your stories. I love them. I love them. I don't know what I'd do if you guys disappeared. I really don't. I would be a mess. A mess. You are like my sounding board. And you can be, I will respond to you. I will be your sounding board. Talk to me. I'm listening. And about that, I will absolutely try to answer every comment in some form or fashion. If you're going to take the time to comment, I'm going to comment back. And if I've forgotten someone, I'm so sorry. And if you comment on someone else's comment, I usually don't see those. YouTube will not display those. I would have to hunt those. You understand? So, yeah, I'm going to talk to you. And another thing is, YouTube has helped my business. My little YouTube store where I sell painting kits. I have sold so many. And I'm so appreciative. And I had not really even given that much thought that would help. That YouTube could help me in that respect. But it has. And I'm grateful to YouTube. I'm grateful. My skills are developing as far as communicating goes. Not much, but a little. I had room to improve, so a little improvement is good. I'm proud of it. Yeah. Now, if I'm going to be talking about the surprises on YouTube, I have to tell you, number 6 is the negative comments. I'm surprised at negative comments. I'm not that person who could ever say anything hateful or rude. I just can't do it. I mean, even to an ex-husband that I'm in a fight with or something, I cannot belittle or demean another human being. I can't do it. I can't do it. And I don't understand these comments. Although they do not bother me, and I've started answering them back. And I don't know how I've calculated this, but I do it in my mind. Every time one comes along, I go, okay, that's number 17. And that's the top. 17 bad comments out of the thousands of comments I've got. I'm thinking that's not too bad. Okay? One lady, she made me laugh. I knew it was an insult, but I laughed. It was about touring my home, and I know the camera was too close to everything. I know all that now. I know it. But she said, I'd rather tour my grandmother's Victorian house. And I knew she meant that as a big, being rude. And it was just so funny to me. I just started laughing. So that one made me laugh. And I told her that she made me laugh, and I knew she didn't mean to. If they're going to comment, I'm going to start answering them. And someone went, boring, boring, boring. And I went, why are you here? And one girl said, this was a lady, a girl. She said this. And forgive my language, okay? She said, Jesus Christ, get on with it and quit yapping. And I said, do you not know how to use the forward button? Should I send you help? I mean, come on. You're going to be mean to me. I'm going to respond. I'm not going to respond in a mean manner, but I'm going to say something. I'm not going to delete them. I'm not going to delete them. They are a comment that's counted on my channel, good or bad. But they do surprise me sometimes. And sometimes they hurt my feelings. They do. But I'm over it within 2 minutes. 2 minutes, I'm over it. Okay, YouTube has literally changed my life. Now, if I could go back 3 months, just 3 months, 3 months ago, I never smiled. I was worked to death going, I know that I'm going to have to work till the day I die. I'm so tired. This is not ever going to end. I hate my life. I wish my life was over. I just don't understand why I'm so miserable. Okay? I'm sorry, but that's where I was. Until I went, I'm going to try YouTube one more time. And I did it. And it literally changed my life for the better. I can't imagine going back there. Please don't make me go back there. I don't think I could go back there. Okay. Number 8. YouTube sends real money. It's real money for me sitting here talking. Of course, there's a lot to it. It takes time to upload. I have to do it twice. And then you have to watch them, make sure there's no crazy something going on in the middle. It takes time. But they pay you money. So glad to be here. Thank you, YouTube. So glad to be here. Okay, I'm going to continue this journey on YouTube for as long as you guys listen. So, thanks to you again, and as always, love is flooding towards your house. Can you feel it? It's coming.